So we have two of the greatest iPhones so far. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Gold version, 256 internal storage with 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max, the last version of iPhone Blue version with 256 gigabyte storage inside and 12 gigabyte of massive RAM. Double digit RAM for iPhone for the first time. So power button, they're identical, they have at the same place. So we put here both of them. We'll try a couple of times to have a clear winner. Let's go. Let's hit the power button together. 1, 2, and 3. Apple logo in iPhone 16 Pro Max appears before. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the winner, but what we'll do, we're gonna close this phone, check any application open or not inside here, then we'll shut down it again, shut it down, we put here, then iPhone 16, we'll see nothing is open here, we'll shut down this one, here we go. Now we'll change the hand for the phone, different phone, different hand, iPhone 17 Pro Max here and iPhone 16 Pro Max here. Let's see, one more time, here we go, 1, 2, and 3. This time iPhone 16 Pro Max boots faster than iPhone 17. So I'm gonna put this phone at particular places to see which one loading faster, the games. Unlock the phone. Here we have two games, Subway Surfer in both of them and Angry Bird 2. Let's hit them together, 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner in this case, but to be confirmed, I'm gonna close this one. Let's see, one more time, 1, 2, and 3. Identical, but still I think iPhone 17 Pro Max is the winner. Close this one and we'll tap to play, same time. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. Performance wise, visibility, almost they look the same in the skin, but iPhone 17 Pro Max I see more clear. Continue, some ads. So this game I will close. Now we're gonna open Angry Bird in both of them. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. I don't know which one was the faster, but it still is loading. We see loading time, loading performance. They're connected to the same Wi-Fi. This one is downloading 50%, almost there. This is far behind. So normally I don't play this game. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner. We are almost there. This hung at some place. They're close to the same internet, so even the internet is better in iPhone 17 Pro Max than compared to iPhone 16. So in this case, iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner. So this is a short test to launching games only in both of the phone. So iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner opening gaming things. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.